Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how you can add background image to Shopify store. So then to begin with, check your internet connection and after that log into your Shopify account. Once you're logged into your Shopify account, it's gonna look something like this. Here, first of all, you need to upload a content or the profile picture that you wish to add it as a background. So for that, go to contents and after that select file. Once you've done that, go ahead and tap on upload file located right on top. After that, from the driver folder, select the image that you want to add it as a background. After that, once you're done adding the image, you'll need to head back to the home page once again, or you can just go ahead and tap on online store. Now you'll need to customize it. So for that, you'll need to go to online store. As soon as you've done it, you'll need to scroll down a bit and click on three-dot icon. After you click on the three-dot icon, a drop-down menu appears. From the list, go ahead and tap on edit code. After that, you'll need to scroll down a bit and you'll need to select the asset. After you click on asset, under it you can find base.css. As soon as you access this particular code, on the other half you'll be able to see the code. Here you need to scroll down right to the bottom, and right at the bottom you can see there is a blank field. Here you'll need to open up a new tab once again. After that, you need to paste in the link, that is pastebin.com/xrsqxgxi. Don't worry about the link, I'll make sure to drop it on my description box below. As soon as you've done, you'll be able to get a code. So here you can see there is the, now you need to create, first of all, copy the bracket as well because this is a part of a code, and click on the Ctrl+C and head back to the same page. Here you need to copy the code. After you're done copying the code, you'll need to click on the save button, or if you have opened your home page into another tab, you can just go to your, and from here you need to go ahead and tap on save. Make sure that you've already saved the code. After you see this option, that is asset save, you'll need to scroll down or you need to exit from this particular page. Once again, you'll be directed to the dashboard page. Here you need to go ahead and tap on content once again, go to files, and you'll need to copy the link of that particular image that you wish to add it to your background. So click on the icon located right in the corner. Once again, head back to your online store where you've actually enabled the code or pasted the code. So here you can see this is the particular code. Now you'll need to scroll down right to the bottom and you can see there's the code. So here you can see this is the particular extension right over here. You'll need to select it, and after that, instead of this, you'll need to paste in the other link that you've recently copied. Once you've done that, you'll need to go ahead and tap on the save button. After that, refresh your application or log out of your account, and once you've done that, you'll be able to add background image to Shopify store. So in this way, you can add background image to Shopify store. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.